Hi, this is Joe and welcome back to the shop. I do a lot of TIG welding with very thin material, like 25 to 30 thousandths sheet metal. And I usually try to use a 30 thousandths TIG rod, and a lot of times it's hard to get a hold of something that thin, so I usually have to order it. So in a pinch, what I do until my order comes in is I use MIG wire, and in this particular case I picked up a 2-pound spool of 25 thousandths MIG wire. And so using it for the TIG process, as you know, coming off the spool, the wire is pretty much kinked in a circular fashion. So I ran across a YouTube video that shows an easy way to straighten out wire. So I figured we could use it for straightening out MIG wire and use it for the TIG process. So what I do is I take the wire and one of my clamps, and we'll just clamp the edge of the wire to the table, and using a pair of safety wire pliers, we can now put about 10 twists with this onto the MIG wire to straighten it out. Let me reposition the camera and I'll show you how I do it. As you can see, on the other end of the MIG wire, I have the safety wire pliers. And this is probably going to be a bit hard to see, but 10 pulls. Okay, let's reposition the camera again. We'll take the safety wire pliers off, and as you can see, the wire is now fairly straight. Let's pause for a minute, reposition the wire, or the camera. Hope you can see this, but the MIG wire is now straight. The safety wire pliers, in twisting it, has put tension on the wire, and you can now trim this to size and use this for TIG welding. Now, I wouldn't make a habit of buying spools of MIG wire and doing this, because it is rather labor intensive. A 2-pound spool of 25 thousandths MIG wire at Home Depot or one of your large bulk hardware stores runs about $12. I just recently purchased 10 pounds of 30 thousandths TIG wire for $50 through Amazon Prime, and cost me $50 including shipping. So comes out about the same price with a heck of a lot less labor. But the nice thing is in a pinch, if you're working on a project and you run out of TIG wire, you can always straighten several pieces of the MIG wire and then use it for TIG wire until your order comes in. So, nice handy tip. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.